Tom Anderson here with Ferguson Alliance. I'm a senior business advisor, and today I'd like to visit with you a little bit however briefly, about the commercial insurance market that all family businesses are having to engage with in the current climate that we're in. Insurance market has always been a dynamic and creative one toward solving risk issues, and all commercial businesses have some level of third-party risk solutions. That's always been a standard practice. Of late, the market has been roiled by a variety of issues, making once predictable capacity and pricing for family businesses now anything but predictable. These issues include the continuing impact from inflationary pressures on replacement costs that have been dramatically driving up the cost of insurance. Also, the effect of higher interest rates on customer credit risk issues. So some companies have used credit insurance to help take some of the risk out of their receivable portfolio. There is a greater amount of risk out there because higher interest rates are playing out rather harshly on some businesses that are big consumers of capital, therefore adding more risk to their otherwise creditworthiness. Equally true, and something we hear a lot about, is climate volatility, driving greater loss severity issues in claims and the greater number of it, but also it's really playing out in a bad way on the reinsurance markets. The reinsurance market is really what makes the casualty insurance market work. And basically, the underwriter you do business with very often is laying off a good portion of their risk to the reinsurance market, who you may never actually know their names, but your underwriter certainly does. And to the extent that those reinsurance markets are reduced in terms of capacity, it certainly can create problems for any business, family businesses included, to procure the insurance they've customarily been able to acquire, but also at a cost that is similar or reasonable to their business model. Another area that has been aggravated somewhat because of politics, somewhat because of a greater regulatory environment, and that is environmental risk, as well as cyber risk, which has become very prevalent due to the internet and the adaption of various tools in all of our businesses that rely on internet access. So I'd say that's one of the most dramatic areas of concern to almost every insurance procurer or buyer of insurance today. And also, there have been some fast evolving employment case law precedents that have involved very large jury awards. Again, as our culture, our country has become more critical, let's say, and more willing to award large amounts of money to people for things that in the past was not necessarily the inclination or orientation of most in society. Today, those awards are quite large. So for all these reasons, the amount of insurance, the capacity of the insurance, and the price of insurance has become anything but predictable as it used to be. To the offset, to the better, the market continues to create and offer in the market new risk solutions too. And one good example is in credit insurance. There are now some products that help people that are going to take advantage of an extended purchase contract for a critical element of their business, say fuel or some kind of alternative energy that is being offered in the market with government subsidies. There are now some credit insurance products that can make a family business's credit marketable for those kind of products. So that's certainly something to be aware of. So for all these reasons, it's more important than ever for family business and their business managers, the owners and their business managers, to have current insights on how best to craft a cost-effective risk management program. So again, it's important to recognize that the risk insurance markets are more complicated than ever. And that is why you must remember that what is at risk from a same as last year complacency about your commercial insurance program is putting the entire economic value of your equity in your business at risk. So if you would like a partner in implementing or understanding such often unfamiliar solutions in your business, we work with these issues and often. So book a call with one of our advisors and we enjoy giving you more guidance. You can find us on LinkedIn or Ferguson-Alliance.com. Thank you.